Look, babe, we're just like Jack and Rose.
Titanic. You jump, I jump.
You promise.
Always. Oh. Thank you. For the future.
The future.
Give me a sec.
You okay?
Yeah. Mia!
You jump. I don't. Let go, Ryan. Your company. Your empire. It's all mine now, baby.
I am Ryan Chase, the CEO of the Chase Corporation, youngest billionaire under 30 in Forbes. My fiancée, Mia, tried to murder me. She poisoned me, pushed me off the yacht. I survived, but I lost my voice, my empire, my life. But fate threw me a lifeline. A girl with no voice, but the kindest soul I've ever met.
Are you okay?
She saved me. Gave me a second shot at life.
Are you okay? I'm like you. I can't speak either. But losing your voice doesn't mean surrendering to life. What's in here, it speaks louder than your voice ever could. My diner needs some extra hands, just grunt work. Pays crap, but at least it comes with a bed. Better than sleeping next to garbage.
Mia, you stole my company. Tried to kill me. This isn't over. I'll make you pay.
Hey, woo! What is that? Oh, so pretty.
Sophia, are you out of your fucking mind? This isn't a soup kitchen. You can't be bringing bums into our diner.
He's not a bum. He needs a job.
Well, he looks like roadkill. Oh, Jesus, and that smell could clear out a sewer. Get him the hell out of here. Hello? Anyone there? What makes you think you can come in here? Smelling like death, like a corpse even flies wouldn't touch. Are you trying to scare off my customers or something?
He can work. He's tough. Tougher than anyone I've met.
Tough? He He's a goddamn sewer rat. Look at him. He's too filthy to even mop the floor.
He can scrub toilets, lift crates, even fix the busted faucet in the back, right?
Get him the hell out of here. I won't have trash smelling up my diner. You ungrateful brat! I feed you. I house you. And this is how you want to show your appreciation? One more stunt like that, and you're sleeping on the curb tonight. Free labor?
What's going on here? You have any job experience, kid? We're short-staffed around here. You're hired.
Ryan's reign is over. Now, this is my empire.
Ms. Vaughn, you have no right to set foot in Chase Corps without board approval.
You sure about that? Last I checked, I was the sole heir of Chase Corporation.
Ryan's missing, not dead. The board hasn't authorized the transfer of ownership.
Missing? He's been gone for 2 months. I think you're living in a fantasy world.
Even if he were dead, you'd still get nothing. You're his fiancée, not his heir.
Fiancé? Please. We've been married for months. As of today, I'm Mrs. Ryan Chase, the legal heir of this entire empire.
Funny. Last I'd heard, he had even bought you an engagement ring. Now you're married.
We kept it hidden. He didn't want the media poking around in our lives.
Let me see that.
You psycho!
The Chase Corporation plays by just one rule. If Brian's alive, he's the king. If he's dead, his company burns to the ground before it ever falls into your hands.
One more word, and I spray this lobby red with your brains.
Try it. You pull that trigger, and our legal team will make sure that you spend the rest of your life scrubbing toilets in a federal prison.
Activate the contingency plan. If Ryan doesn't show in 3 days, continue with the takeover. 3 days, Thomas. That's your countdown.
The word out to every news outlet. I'm putting out a $10 million bounty. Find the boss. Now!
Keep it, kid. It's been 2 months. Go get yourself some decent clothes.
Thank you.
Get a haircut. You'll look handsome.
What the hell are you giving money to the bum for? He agreed to no pay.
He's still an employee, Diane. You want him to work for free?
You agreed. He wants money. He can get the hell out. You want to defend yourself? Speak up. You pathetic, mute freak.
Ryan's not pathetic.
That's enough, Diane. One step too far.
Am I wrong? Oh, please, don't tell me you're feeling sorry for him now. Why don't you just go ahead and marry him off to Sophia then? Let the two mute misfits rot together.
Fine. We'll get married. And my whole paycheck goes to him.
This is rich. You want to marry a bum. You must be as stupid as your mother.
That's enough, Diane. Sophia, I'm not gonna let you do this. You might be different, but you deserve better than him. Way better.
Oh, wake up already, James. This bum is the best Sophia's ever gonna get.
Dad, I'm not embarrassed of him. He works tough days, and he never complains. Compare that to the men who mock me.
Sophia, your wedding day, it should be...
A real wedding doesn't need a 5-star hotel. Just someone who treats me right. At least he doesn't make fun of me for being mute behind my back.
Sorry I failed you. I couldn't even protect my own daughter.
If you hadn't pulled me out of that alley, I'd be dead. Now it's my turn to protect you, Sophia. I swear, I'll protect you with my life.
Fine. Take your precious paycheck and get the hell out. Let's see how long the two of you can last in the real world.
Whoa. Have you always been this hot?
Well, I'm all yours.
Thank you. For showing me I deserve to be loved too.
No. Thank you. For making me feel human again.
What? Oh, I see. Finally realizing your husband's actually a stud.
Guess I hit the jackpot.
Two months after the mysterious disappearance of Wall Street titan Ryan Chase, the Chase Corporation has issued a $10 million reward for any information.
James! James, get in here! Sophia! Sophia! Get your butt down here!
Wait, are you the billionaire who vanished?
Who you really are?
Ryan, are you really a billionaire?
The Chase Corporation has announced if Ryan Chase remains missing after 24 hours, the asset transfer will be finalized.
Shit, if I reveal myself now, my entire revenge plan goes up in smoke. If I don't reach Thomas before the deadline... Nah, not me. I see the resemblance, though.
I knew it. You, a billionaire? Please. You're not even worth the gum under my shoe. I still can't believe you married this broke leech. What a joke.
Please, don't talk about Ryan like that.
Ooh, he's got claws. You two really are a perfect pair. A leech and a loser. Wasn't enough to eat our food and sleep under our roof, was it? No, you had to go and con Sophia into marrying you too. You must think we're pretty stupid, huh?
That's enough, Diane. Ignore her. This place, this diner, it was always meant for Sophia.
What? You're leaving it to her?
Me and my late wife built this diner. It was always meant for Sophia.
Bullshit. Who do you think's been keeping this place running all these years? You're gonna leave it to two broke losers who can't even afford the rent? You really think that they can keep it running?
That's enough, Diane! This diner was built by Sophia's mom. It belongs to her.
What about me? What about Mike, my son?
It's already been settled. The diner goes to Sophia. The savings account goes to Mike.
Over my body. They both belong to my son. As for you, you can start picking up double shifts. And you can crawl back into whatever gutter you came out of.
They are my family. Don't you dare.
Marrying you was the biggest mistake of my life.
Dad? Dad, are you okay?
Take a good look, honey. This diner belongs to you and me.
When?
Last year, while you were in the hospital, I had the deed changed. Now you two pack up your little bags and get the hell out of my diner.
Diane!
All subsidiary accounts are frozen.
And here are the transfer documents, ma'am.
In 12 hours, everything Ryan Chase ever owned will be mine. All of it.
The surgery your father needs would cost $1 million. He's uninsured. No payment, no procedure.
Please, you can't let him die. Diane, she has the money.
Honey, wait.
I'll beg. Please, I am begging you. He needs the surgery and the doctor said that it would cost $1 million.
So you've come crawling back. You know, you could have begged like this when your daddy was giving away my son's diner.
He's going to die, please.
Then let him die. When he's gone, everything's mine anyway. His diner, his cash, all mine. Why don't you start a GoFundMe page or something?
Tell me you found Ryan.
We've searched every private jet log, every hotel, every port. He's vanished.
Keep looking. I don't care if you have to dig through every alley in New York. Psycho Mia's already planning her victory party.
If I go back now, it's over. But I will not let Sophia suffer.
Are you gonna hit me? Go ahead. Try it. I'll have the police here so fast it'll make your head spin. You know, I should have sent you away a long time ago.
Don't touch my wife.
You can Talk? Big deal. So you can speak. You want that money so badly? Why don't you go beg for it on the street? That's what you're good at, right?
I will work for free for the rest of my life. Please just save my dad.
So touching. But not my problem. As you said, without that surgery, your daddy's gonna die. And when he does, you're not getting a single cent from me.
You know you're not gonna get away with this, right?
You're threatening me. Keep it up. And I'll dump the both of you out back for the rats to pick clean.
Don't hurt him. Let's go. We're leaving right now.
You're finished.
One more hour and this entire billion-dollar empire is mine.
300 people searching. All of New York. And you're telling me that we've still found nothing.
Thomas, it's me.
I'm back.